Okay, so welcome to Darkarmy. It's been a long time since we brought up new videos, but in today's tutorial is going to be something very solid. And then if you are a student, this is a good news for you. But before we start, if you know you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, tell me in the comment section where you're coming from, and I'll be willing to reply to you as well. And then if you have any video in mind you want me to do, I'll be very happy. Just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to redeem something. Okay, so this is for every student. So GitHub launched a pack for students, which is the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Okay, so this is for every student. So whilst you're a student, probably not every student as well, because in my locality, which is Ghana, I think the only time you're going to have a student email is when you are in the university. So probably this is for university students. Okay, so most of the schools give out emails after being admitted in the school. Good. So your email will look like, let's say, your student ID. Yes, your student ID. So this is my, let me open my mail for you guys to see. Although they are personal stuffs, but I don't mind. I'll blur them out. Don't worry. Okay, so okay, so it's opening. So you have something like 01230133 at st dot. I'm at 80 st.atu.edu.gh. Okay, so that's probably something like a subdomain, something you get it. So that's how your email is going to appear. But before you redeem this GitHub Student Pack, okay, so let me open it and then let's see what it comes with, like what it entails, and then what we can get from the Student Pack. Okay, Student Developer Pack. Good. So let me see. So it's loading. It looks like my internet is very slow. I'm running on Vodafone or Telecel. That's why. Okay, so let's click here if the page doesn't redirect automatically. Okay. So I'm sure the mail is also loaded. Let me close it. We don't need it for now. Okay. It's still loading, so let's wait for it. So probably let's talk about some of the features in the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Okay. So we have something like you're going to get free access to courses. You're going to get free access to GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an AI, should I say MCP or AI product that helps you to code or assist you in coding. It does code reviews, it does code generation, UI generation, and a whole lot. Yes. So if you have, I think, Visual Studio, you should be good to go. If you have Xcode, which is for the iOS squad, you are good to go. You can have access to the GitHub Copilot. I don't know why it's keeping long. And then what's the name? Yes. And then you're going to get a whole lot of stuff like free domain. Okay. You're going to get free domain. You're going to get a .tech domain. You're going to get a .me domain from, what's the name? From Namecheap, and then others. And you're going to get free hosting, free like GPU stuffs from Heroku and other hosting providers too as well. So this is a GitHub Student Developer Pack. So you learn to shift software like a pro. So there's no substitute for hands-on experience. But for most students, real-world tools can be cost prohibitive. That's why we created a GitHub Student Developer Pack with some of our partners and friends. So we are going to discover the best ways to use Pack Office with experiences. Experiences are created bundles of partner products, GitHub tools, and other resources that are designed for you to learn like new skills and make the most out of the Student Developer Pack and enjoy your journey in the GitHub education. So you are going to complete these courses. They are all part of the GitHub Developer something. You understand Markdown, Markdown is a language. Sometimes when you are writing codes and then you want to explain what the code does or something, or how to even set up the codes, you can do something like the file should be something like something.md. Okay. And then you learn intro to GitHub, able to get certificates from that, and then GitHub Foundation certification, introduction to open source AI prompting, security and monitoring for those who like cybersecurity, and then intro to web dev. We are going to teach you a whole lot. You're going to get access to Bootstrap Studio for free. You're going to get access to the DigitalOcean. The DigitalOcean is a hosting platform. You can host your servers or yes, your own instances online, even your websites or your backend databases. Hackathon in the cloud. This one helps you to host programs and a whole lot. It comes with a whole lot of bundle. You're going to learn mobile app development. You're going to get access to Microsoft Azure, Lambda test front-end masters, developer operations, GitHub, Sentry, Browser Stack, virtual event, a whole lot. And then all the offers, you're going to have, I think this one, Namecheap. This one I like. Affordable registration and hosting and domain management. 1 year domain name for free. Templates and 1 year SSL certificates. And then also, let me see, name.com is going to give you another free domain. They get our ocean $200 in platform credit. So everything here, like if you combine all, they are worth like 5,000 in US dollars. So with this one, he will go to 13 USD per month for 24 months. That's 2 years. So Charlie, the enjoyment in a day. So you have to be fast and then redeem it. But I don't know, my internet is not loading fast. But if you want to redeem it, you just have to click on this sign up for GitHub Developer Pack. But then first you need to have a GitHub account. You need to have a GitHub account. So let me just click on it and let me see if it will load. If it doesn't load, then I think my network is down. So you sign up for the GitHub account if you don't have one. Now when you're done, use your normal email to sign up. When you're done, then you can go to the GitHub. You add your student email to it. They will send you a link. You click on it to verify it. So after verification, it doesn't take long. You can now come and click on the sign up for student developer pack. Now these are the things you need to have. So let me open up my notepad. You can screenshot this. So one, you need your student email. You need your student email. You need your student ID card. And you're new. Yes. So these are the three things you need to have. Yeah. So your student email, your student ID card. Because when you are registering, you are going to enter all these details. And then I think in 2 days or 42 hours, 48 hours or 24 hours, they are going to be verified. After verification, they're going to send you a link. Good. So I think everything is up here. Okay, so I applied and they said expires in almost 2 years. Coupon apply. Good. So here's it. So this is my GitHub account. Okay. So you can look up for me on Arab 404. I have some nice cool projects you can contribute to it. So you come to emails. When you come to emails, then you come to add email address. This is it. Add email address. Let me do control plus. Okay, so there's it. Add email address. So you can enter. There's my student email. Yes. So when you add it here, they'll ask you to verify it. Good. And then yes. So from there you can go to, let me see. Okay, so I've done everything already. So from there, you can come back to the GitHub Student Developer Pack. And when you click on it, to take you here, and then you see something down here, and then you now apply. And then within 2 to 3 days, you're going to get a verified. Yes, so that is it for the GitHub Student Pack. Don't sleep on this. Redeem it and use it very well, because AI is a game-changing something, that a technology that's taking over the world. So you need to learn more, use more of the Copilot too as well, but don't rely on it, because this code editors, AI code editors make mistakes. Yeah, so at least you have to know what you are doing, understand what you're writing or what the AI is giving you, be able to explain it, and even be able to fix the errors without the AI as well. So this is Darkarmy. If you know you're new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button. If you know you like the video, hit the subscribe button, like, share to your friends, and don't forget to drop a comment if this was helpful. Thank you. Meet you in another episode. I'm out. Boom.